Oxford Primary Skills, Reading and Writing Level 6 by Jenny Quintana. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2010. Unit 1. Young and Talented. Listening 1. Read and listen.
Super kids. There are young, talented people everywhere. There are 5-year-olds who can play the violin. There are 10-year-old opera singers who perform in famous concert halls. There are 13-year-old gymnasts in the Olympics, and many more children like this all over the world. What are these gifted children like? Let's meet some of them. Name.
Asif Malik.
Age.
12.
Country.
India.
Talent.
Painting. Nobody in my family is artistic, so they were surprised when I started painting seriously. I was about 4 years old. At first, I painted trees and flowers. Now I paint portraits of my family and friends. I enter competitions, and I sometimes have exhibitions. I've already sold some of my paintings. I have a website, and all my paintings are on it. I'm going to go to an art school in Paris when I'm older.
Name.
Katie Varga.
Age.
11.
Country.
Hungary.
Talent.
Chess.